So we got this crawler course out here, and we got this Gladiator 24 scale from Axial. And the kid who has the fastest run with the least amount of tip overs on this course from Jay's Crawler Course Rentals, renting these units, they're gonna try the course.
That draws them in sometimes too.
All right, I think the moms, come on moms. Moms, come on.
I am horrible at driving.
You don't know, you might be better than they're horrible though. You know what I'm saying?
You're saying I'm horrible?
Hey, you don't know, buddy. Is this your first time with an RC?
Oh, yeah.
Well, there you go. You don't know yet. It's going to be perfect.
This isn't mine. We have 3 rock crawlers.
Okay.
We used to have, well, we used to.
Okay.
No, we still have them. They just
Okay.
don't work.
So the bottom ones are fast. Okay.
Now the bottom one?
Yeah, my brother used to have a gas-powered
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
And he wrecked it.
Yeah.
and
I have
That
one
happens.
I have another one at my Nano bubble that I got fixed up. I found the old electric racer.
Yeah.
That's a really good one.
I know, where's your dad when I need him?
Yes. Yeah, a few of them. Old Mustang airplane. That's what I have.
Who all's doing it? Raise your hand. So the moms are not.
I'm calling my husband to see if he wants.
Okay, yeah, we need to know before we get this going so that...
He's gonna win.
You don't know that, dude?
I do.
No, man, you don't know for sure.
He knows how to drive.
There's some rules I got. They're going to help you out, okay?
I was about to say, if he
Hey,
plays,
and
I'm
also,
not
I know
winning.
people who drive vehicles every day and they're terrible at this, so that is no excuse.
Well, he knows how to drive RC vehicles better.
Well, you guys might be got then.
Yeah, but you guys got the best one. Vera, which one are you doing? These 3 are already taken. You can do this one, or that buggy down there also.
Wait, so I'm doing that. I'm doing
I would say probably one of those 2. I'd probably say the buggy or this one. Okay, buddy.
You get 2 tip overs. If you tip over, first time, you tip it back over, you keep going. If you tip it over a second time, that's the last time you can tip over.
Furthest you've got.
You have to start and exit the obstacle as it is here. You can't pull up and then turn off. You have to complete each obstacle. Woo! It's all good.
There's one.
Oh, man.
Very slowly. Oh
These
my
kids
God.
made it further.
Oh my God, Avery.
Oh, yeah. There's no way.
Come on, Avery.
You got this, buddy.
Good job, Abe.
If you actually managed to finish this whole thing, he's only flipped once too.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm gonna get new IC car.
There you go, next. Straight. There you go. Keep going straight. Straighten your wheels. Straighten your wheels. Keep it.
Go, just go.
Slowly.
Not that slow.
No, that slow. Turn. Yep.
He's gonna finish it, dude.
Go.
It's so hot. Go, just go.
Just go.
The grass is starting. Oh my God.
Avery.
For the first time.
Hold on, he might just immediately win this.
The grass is starting to hot. Yeah.
Keep going straight that way. Just go. Just go. Just go, Avery. Yes. Just go. Just go. Oh my God, Avery. Careful. Oh my God.
All right.
Yeah.
What do you have to say? Go pick your free RC up, dude. You want to thank your sponsors? Yeah. Who would you like to thank for this opportunity?
Are you posting it?
Sure.
Spread Hedge Dams.
What is it?
spread has jams and jellies.
Okay.
And side red tides.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Sweet, dude. Good job. Thanks
you.
for playing.
Thank y'all so much.
Yes, thank you.
Good job. You did great.
Thank you.
Good job.
Awesome.